Hi, I am Professor Ashwini Patil, Faculty of ENTC and Telecommunication Engineering Department from the Mauli College of Engineering and Technology, Shekau. I would like to tell about something about our college. Our college is conducting lots of activities for the benefit of students, which will enhance their knowledge and will make them industry ready. As an initiative taken by the college for the benefit of students, college has started a training with software training institute, that is RS Softech. I would like to give my view about the RS Softech training, which is being conducted in our college from last year. The training is conducted in a way that it covers all the points of the structured syllabus. The training is well structured and well planned. The training head, that is Rahul Salunki sir, along with their team, is taking lot of efforts for the betterment of students. The transformation what I seen in the student is the students who were backbencher or were having low confidence, now their confidence is boosted up and they are taking efforts to be ready for the industry requirements. As a part of this training, I can surely tell you that now the students who are participating in the training are having the knowledge such that they can qualify all the tests conducted by the companies. They can solve any problem given to them based on the languages they have learned. So that is the main outcome of the training that they have received. I am happy to share this feedback with you all, and I would like to express my gratitude towards our institute, our head of institute, our principal Dr. CM Jadhav sir, for taking such initiative, and mainly the team, that is RS Softech, for conducting the training in such a way that it is much beneficial for the student. Lots of efforts has been taken by the team, and now students are also responding to the efforts, and I'm sure that this will really give a good output. Thank you to the RS team. Thank you to the institute.